Sector partnerships are collaborative efforts where employers work together with educational institutions, community-based organizations, unions, and training providers to enhance workers' skills and match them with the jobs that employers need to fill. For Black workers, sector partnerships can be particularly valuable. They help identify skills gaps and develop strategies to address them by pinpointing industry-based certifications and establishing career pathways that lead to stackable credentials. Sector Partnerships and WIOA, a federal program designed to help those with barriers to employment find high-quality jobs through education, skills training, and supportive services intersect because sector partnerships are a required workforce development strategy in WIOA and claim to promote more equitable economic opportunities for workers. For example, Focus Hope in Detroit began as a civil rights organization in 1968 to combat poverty and racial injustice. But in 1981, Focus Hope expanded operations by opening its Machinist Training Institute, MTI. The institute trained low-income Black men in precision machining and metalworking skills, a predominantly white occupation. MTI partnered with local firms to employ program graduates and with local universities to design manufacturing engineering curricula. But do these programs help Black workers? Generally, yes. MTI participants' average annual earnings increased by more than 163%, from $9,925 to $26,140 2 years after exiting the program. However, Joint Center research found that racial disparities still exist despite wage increases facilitated by participation in sector partnership programs. Additionally, WIOA does not provide mandatory standards for forming or operating sector partnerships, and WIOA does not fund the tracking of sector partnerships, technical assistance, or data collection. Sector partnerships are also not required to include vital components for addressing equity. There's also no federal data to provide insight into Black workers' success in individual programs because outcomes data are not disaggregated by race at the program level. Nonetheless, sector partnerships are a promising workforce development model. With the proper focus on equity, sector partnerships can catalyze economic mobility and job creation for Black workers. To ensure sector partnerships have equitable outcomes for Black workers, the Joint Center's policy recommendations are to establish dedicated federal funding for sector partnership activities, codify job quality standards in the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act and sector partnership laws, expand data reporting requirements, and implement a national sector partnership training program tracking system. These policy recommendations can help to reveal a more robust workforce development strategy for the future of Black workers. For more information on this issue, visit jointcenter.org/workforce-policy.